If you're an international student who's graduating in this December and still doesn't have a job, it's extremely scary to not have a job offer in this market because it feels like your career is ending even before it starts. By the way, hi, my name is Roshni, and as an international student who has worked at all of these fine companies, here are my 4 job search tips that can help you survive this horrible job market. Number 1 tip, make your resume as Americanized as possible. Yes, I said it. The reason being, I've seen so many international students having their bachelor's GPA mentioned out of 10. आप सच में सोच रहे हो कि recruiter जाके उसको out of 4 में convert करेगा आपके लिए? You have to know that the priority bias exists and there is no way that you can fight it. You just have to blend in. So आपके resume में आपके नाम के अलावा कुछ भी इंडियन नहीं होना चाहिए. My second tip is, normal applications are not going to work for you. The moment you hit, I need sponsorship, the bar raises. How do you cross that hump? By having someone internally that can vouch for you. Not just refer you, vouch for you. So be strategic. Number 1, have a list of companies that you want to work for. What are the designations in these companies? And reach out to your alumni who is working at these companies. LinkedIn can do all of this for you very easily. And then once you reach out to them, build a rapport and then tap into that hidden job market and schedule as many informal information calls as possible. And trust me, those will not just help you to build connection, but will also help you to prepare yourself technically because it's literally a mock interview with someone who's working in these companies that you want to work for. My third tip is post on LinkedIn. Visibility in this job market is what is going to get you where you want to. You can spend a day contacting 30 people or you can spend an hour and write a post that can reach to at least 10K people. You choose. And my final and the most important tip, do you know how I got my first internship here in the US at Intel San Diego? Well, whenever somebody would tell me that they gave an interview, I would ask them how the interview was, where did you give the interview? Let's say if they say that Intel San Diego, I would go to LinkedIn and message all the wireless Intel San Diego managers because I know somebody is hiring from there. और फिर क्या था, जैक तो लगना ही था. And lag gaya. And that's how I got my first Intel internship. I know this market is tough, but don't lose hope. Of course, we have made a tool that can help you with all of these tips. So just comment job. And secondly, make sure that you're following us through this reel because the tool won't be able to send you the resources if you're not following us.